Welcome back, Foot Academy boys and girls and all the family who've been staying up to date with our home learning challenges. Now, these challenges must have a winner. So how about today we learn how to make our very own homemade trophy. The materials we need to make our football trophy are a plastic bottle. I have a few here to show you that, depending on the shape that you choose, will be the shape of your trophy. I want to make a trophy like the Champions League Cup, so I feel that this shape is appropriate. Next up, to make our trophy shine, we need some aluminium paper. You should have some of this in your kitchen. And finally, to stick it all together, I'm going to be using a glue gun. If you do not have one of these, you could use some sticky tape. Now it's time to cut the bottle into the shape that you want it. My cup is probably going to be about this tall, so I'm going to cut just around here. Ask for your parents' help and get a pair of scissors and start cutting. Perfect, we have our cup, but I need a stand so that it will stand upright. So you could use the bottle that you just cut from and stick it on the top of that, but that's not exactly the Champions League Cup. So I've taken another bottle with a much smaller bottleneck, I've removed the lid, and I just simply click them together, and there is our trophy stand. The trick to wrap your trophy in aluminium paper is roll it out, place it down, and start to wrap over like so. When you have enough, cut it from the paper and start to squeeze around the shape of your bottle. Tucking in any corners. How's that? Now, to make the arms of the cup, or as the Champions League is referred to, the big ears, I have an idea. I'm going to take some straws, wrap them in tin foil, and then stick them on in a shape like this. And there we are, my Champions League trophy. I'm so thirsty after that though, so I think I need to have a drink. We would love to see your efforts here at Foot Academy, so don't forget to share it with us on Facebook and Instagram.